Hello everyone. Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we have a beautiful and exotic plant to talk about. The white bird of paradise. This stunning plant, also known as Strelitzia Nicolai, is a real showstopper in any indoor or outdoor setting. In this video, we'll cover essential care tips to ensure your white bird of paradise thrives and becomes the star of your plant collection. But before we can dive into the care tips, let's get to know our plant a bit better. The white bird of paradise is known for its large banana-like leaves and elegant white and blue flowers. It's native to South Africa and can grow to impressive heights, making it a popular choice for those looking to add a touch of the tropics to their living spaces. Here are the tips to help you take care of these tropical marvels. Tip 1. Light requirements. One of the most crucial aspects of white bird of paradise care is providing the right amount of light. These plants thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Place your plant near a sunny window where it can receive plenty of indirect sunlight throughout the day. Avoid placing it in direct sunlight for extended periods, as this can scorch its leaves. Tip 2. Watering. White bird of paradise plants prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. Water your plant when the top inch of the soil feels dry to the touch. Make sure the pot has proper drainage to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot. During the growing season, spring and summer, you may need to water more frequently, but in the winter months, reduce the frequency. Tip 3. Humidity. To mimic its native tropical environment, it's important to maintain a higher humidity level for your white bird of paradise. You can achieve this by misting the plant regularly, using a humidity tray, or placing a humidifier nearby. This will keep those large, beautiful leaves looking their best. Tip 4. Fertilizing. Fertilizing is essential for healthy growth. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed your white bird of paradise every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can harm the plant. In the winter, reduce or suspend fertilization. Tip 5. Pruning and maintenance. As your white bird of paradise grows, you may need to prune it to maintain its shape and size. Remove any dead or damaged leaves as needed. Pruning can also encourage new growth and keep your plant looking its best. Tip 6. Repotting. Repotting is typically necessary every 2 to 3 years or when the plant becomes root-bound. Choose a slightly larger pot with good drainage, and use a well-draining potting mix. Spring is the best time for repotting. Tip 7. Dealing with common issues. Now, let's address some common issues you might encounter while caring for your white bird of paradise. Yellowing leaves can be a sign of overwatering, while brown tips may indicate underwatering or low humidity. Pests like mealybugs or spider mites can be a problem, so inspect your plant regularly and treat any issues promptly. And that's a wrap on our white bird of paradise care tips. Remember, with the right lighting, watering, and a little tender loving care, your white bird of paradise can become the star of your indoor jungle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant care tips and inspiration. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this beautiful plant, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!